Hello guys, I am Satyam and I have just graduated from class 12, or what you call past class 12. As you can see, I have these two folders. What are they? Let's clean them first. Yeah, so what I was saying is currently just I have just passed 12 and uh, I am preparing for the colleges and based on all the results from YouTube, I have just understand that only doing the college will not help me getting an internship. So I'm planning on getting any internship based before early on. So this channel will be made only for the sole purpose of me getting internship and how I got it and what step did I take and how many questions did I take, do whatever you call it. Uh, and some of you might be wondering why I'm speaking in English. So, it's just that I want to improve my English. There will be grammatical mistakes, don't mind it. And just move on, it will be better. So, today I have learned about the variable data type, what do you call it, from Apna College channel. Uh, Latest course 9 lesson 1 single playlist 1 hour 20 minutes. And I have also learned Python from my class 12 computer science subject. So yeah, it will be easy. Let's see. So today my goal is uh, to write a command where user need to input any two integers and I have to sum the integers and uh, show them to the users. And not only that, if the uh, input given by the user, the integers that user give me, have any type of like a remainder, then I have to put that remainder in the addition of those two data. Uh, I mean integer, and then I have to show the result. Let's just say I will show you. If I I say it will be like this. Suppose first number user input is 1 uh, and input is second number user input is 2 or 3. Let's just say 3. And as we all know, this doesn't start with this, so we start with B. And now as you know, A plus B, we get what we call it a simple type of function, variable data type. But the thing is, let me just put it down first. Yeah. So what I was saying is, uh, I have to do this much. If the user put 1 or 3, suppose I have to print A or B. But if like like 1 is divisible by 3, yes. But suppose it was not 1, it was 2. It was not divisible by 3, right? So the remainder will be 1. And if the remainder will be 1, so what I want is that this will also add, but like I'll show you, the remainder should also add in the prospective value, like its remainder is 1, so 2 3 5 plus 1 will be, oh sorry, a mistake, some error, let me check with the indentation. Oh yeah, right, A2, it will be easier for it, right? B3. Now it will be C. So what I did was 3 plus 2 5 and 2 divided by 3 remainder will be 1 but 1. So I have to write a code in that way that user input the data and I have to show the results based on that. You guys have a vivid idea, right? So let me say I always do the variable data type VAB1 which is equals to a, in some at initial stage when I was in 12th it was very difficult for me to enter these type of data. So enter the first number will like it has become a progress path. Let me tell you a full thing. If you are a beginner like me, you should just copy paste and easy steps. No mind data. So we have right now. I didn't mention one thing that the variable I am using, uh, there need to be an if command, otherwise it will not operate as function and then the whole thing will do bad. So I've already told you I have learned Python before, but not completely. So I'm learning it again. So let's go. Uh, as you can see, the user input first variable, then in second you see user inputs second variable. Now what we need to do is first we have to give if condition statement if, and now we have to put what VAB2 because we need to understand that 2 is divisible by 3. No, this is divisible by this. Okay, so percent VAB1, and now you see there the VAB 2%. This is divisible by this number. Is it or not? Right? And now equal equals 0. Uh, as you know, if condition have a statement or something else, no. Right. Still ever? No. Okay. Now I have to add what we call it print statement. Then I need to print it as a plus b. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm still thinking in my bad. Yeah, it will be right. Now what we need to do is we need to add else command as such so there will be no error in the case. As you can see we have already entered if there is no remainder then this is equal to this. Otherwise if there is remainder, um, I have listened from a great person that a coder need to write the code as short as possible in column wise, not other perspectives. So why in the world better be prepared than be sorry. It's good that I will not follow all this. Okay, so we have to do the sum will be uh, here's two problems for me right now. It first is comma. I in the previous part I always forgot about comma, so it has become a difficult part for me. Alright, now it is easy. So if I need to print that in the first function, then it will be like this: VA B1 plus VA B2, comma close. Uh, uh, Now here's a slight problem which you guys might understood. we need to add this, then var 1 percent var 2, but there need to be one separate comma so that the command understands that we don't need to mix this up. Okay, so I think in 6 lines it will print the variable data type that we intend to do. First remove these stupid things. Okay, so let me guess, the first number shall be 5, second number shall be 10, total 15, let total 15, 10 is divisible by. Okay, so till now these are all working commands. Let's see the other part. Uh, first input is, let's say first input is 5, second input is 14, sum will be 24. Congratulations, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 4, 14, 5, 19. Now, here is the problem. What I have not understood, that sum will be 4. Suppose we have added BA plus 1, 5, 14, 19. 19 plus 5 will be 24. How the sum will be 24? I don't understand. Uh, there is some slight error that I have missed. I need to understand this. First, we have added two sum. Then, okay, the indentation mark was the error. We were dividing VAB2 with VAB1 with VAB2. We have to do VAB2 with VAB1 so that the command understand that variable data is this. Right. Uh, Heat matrix close. Yeah, no more. First, let's delete and now check the data type. Uh, there shall be no problem if I write 5 and 14. The answer should have been 23. Yes, let's debunk that. Uh, if I write 9 plus 73, 83, 82, remainder 1. Right. So yeah, this will be the code of the variable data type from which we take input from the user, and based on the input, if the number is divisible by the input from the first input given by user, then it will be. And also I can do float data type just by changing the data type from here to float. I'm sorry, it has become a bad habit for me. And now you got to have float 20, and come on, 20.9, 41.8. This will divide. Yeah, you see, 20.9, 20, 20, 41.8, 20, 41, 62, right? 9, 8, 16. So, yeah, and it is correct. Now, let's say 1.2. enter. Second will be 2.2. This not be like the remainder will be something like 12 will be 12.4, remainder will be like 10. 10, so 12 plus 22, it will be 34. 34 plus 10, 44. So yeah, the commands can also do the floating type views. Uh, that's all. I also understood that comments will be added sometime. So think, come on, stupidity. Thank you guys.